Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Tati and I am from Ukraine originally, and now I'm a brow license specialist in Michigan. In this video, I want to show you the steps for brow henna for perfect results. First thing, I shampoo brows. You can use any available lash or brow shampoo that exists on the market. Then I'm going to do my mapping, and my favorite pencil, you would be surprised, Sharpie. Yes, you heard me right. So I do a freehand mapping, just finding 3 spots to draw the perfect eyebrow. A little bit clean with the brush and makeup removal. For this client, I'm using Zola with a dark brown and a black henna. Mixing it together with the warm water and taking just a little bit of product first. I'm starting applying from the bottom of the eyebrow and kind of stretch it out for all eyebrow. That's going to be my first layer, and I'm letting it dry before I'm applying the second one. So then I'm gonna applying the second layer of henna with a little thicker layer. Same thing I do for the other eyebrow. First, I'm gonna do a thin layer, let it dry a little bit, and then apply a second layer of henna with a little thicker amount. When I'm finishing applying henna, I'm gonna let it dry for about 5 to 6, 7 minutes. Depends how bright you want your stain. The longer henna will stay on the skin, the brighter the stain will be on the skin as well. So for this specific client, she doesn't want to do it too bright, so I'm leaving for about 5 minutes. And then I remove henna with water. And just as usual, I'm gonna wax the eyebrows with the Satin smooth wax, making sure of course that the skin is dry before waxing. Same thing we do for the other eyebrow. Clean with water and wax. To clean the residue, I'm using post-waxing products. Guys, let me know in the comments down below how did you like the result, and if you have any more questions, also you can just text the comments. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.